Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, there's like a many vlogs before this one that you probably should watch first, because we have been on an interesting journey to get to this point. If you are a returning subscriber, hey, hi. My hair looks so good in real life, and then I get on the camera and it just looks like never good. Anyway, today's the day. I am indeed in the same outfit I was in last Tuesday when we thought we might get the news. So fingers crossed. I'm anxious today, and this is a comfy, cozy sweater. I can just wear it with leggings, and she's cute, and I can dress her up for work. But the wait begins. It's like 8-ish now, 8:30-ish, and we will find out a little after 12. I have a client at 12 for a root retouch, so that takes like an hour and a half. So yeah, we're gonna be cutting close on time if we do get her, but hey, it's okay. I've informed my evening clients. I didn't cancel them, but I let them know just in case that this is like kind of potentially maybe happening. I'm gonna go to work. Guys, it's happening. It is actually happening. Okay, it's like 1:15. I'm leaving work now. Sorry, my hand's like right in the frame. I was working on my client, Martha, and I got the text that we are getting our first placement. So Martha was such a champ, which I kind of give her a heads up to, and she's so, I love her. But, so she was really good. I was kind of like texting while I was finishing her up, and I had told Celeste before that like I didn't cancel my day just in case, but I can cancel it if things happen. So had already talked to my other people. My purse is gonna fall over. My other clients this evening, because I was supposed to work until like 8 o'clock tonight, and I had already talked to them, so they are good. I have them moved, so I'm going to work on Thursday to get them in, and right now I'm heading home. My caseworker, my social worker, and someone else are coming to do our home study because we still haven't had that done yet, and then shortly after that, little girl's caseworker and her are coming to the house, and they're just gonna go over some things with us. So it is, it's happening. I'm so excited. Okay, I need to go call my mom and my sister and my dad and my mother-in-law and let them all know, because they've been saying huge prayers, and okay, bye. I don't know how many times I'm gonna try to film this. My decorations are looking very tacky behind me. Of course, I'm going to need you to let me know if someone comes. They don't think I'm just talking to myself. So I ordered a stroller, and that's what's in here. It wasn't supposed to come for tomorrow, but here we are. Perfect timing. Oh my gosh, is it going to be built? Maybe I shouldn't do this before they come. Hi guys, long time no vlog. Not actually. It's been like, I haven't vlogged since we got her. Just because it's been a lot, which is okay. Yeah, so, and I was also trying to like figure out, obviously I'm driving, but I was trying to figure out like how to share our experience without like exposing too much of her life, and just like, because these vlogs, I don't know, I want to say this in the most respectable way, and I hope it doesn't come across the wrong way, but these vlogs, I want them to be about foster parents, aka me, my husband, my family, like how fostering impacts us, because foster children have been through enough. She's not even old enough to have any concept of what she would want out in the world, and then on top of all of that, there's privacy, because that's just how it works. Like you can't see her, she needs to have a very private life. So I've been trying to figure out how to share things and memories, because I want her to have memories, and we're taking tons of pictures for her sake, but none of those can be seen for the world. So we've just been trying to like kind of figure out how to do that, on top of having like a completely backwards sleep schedule. And I've been working 10-hour days the last 3 days. I was off early the day that we got her, but then I worked Wednesday and Thursday, and it's Friday today, so Max actually had to work. So Max had her all day yesterday, which went really well. Our cousin Anna came over and kind of like kept him company and helped, and but he did really good. Oh my gosh, the grandmas love her. She's adjusted really well. Last night was the first night. We had kind of a rough night. I was up with her until it was going on 1 o'clock. I don't know. I think the first couple days she was so tired just from everything that was going on that she slept pretty good. Like, I mean, she only woke up like once or twice the first couple nights. And Max and I were both kind of like, whoa, like, I know, baby, we're almost there. We're almost there. It's okay. And so last night we had a little bit more of a rough one, but it went okay. I did have her sleep in a little bit later this morning than ideally, that we would then like more than ideal. Not too much, just like an hour later, just because she was up so late and I have to run errands today, and so I didn't want her to be totally beat. And then on top of that, it's the holidays, so we are trying to figure out how to document her memories, document memories for our sake, and then hardest part being figuring out a schedule. Like, Saturday is our first Christmas celebration, and it is with my mother-in-law side of the family, and we're a little nervous to see how it goes, especially after how last night went, because I have to be at work on Saturday from 8 to 1. From 8 to 1, so I have to leave the house by 7:30. I know, baby. I know, we're almost there. Yes, we are. Yeah, so I'm hoping she sleeps through me getting ready. She's done good when Max leaves. Max leaves for work at like 4:30, 4:45 in the morning, and Max is really good at being quiet, and just because it is a new space. Like, when she's out, she's pretty out, but we also don't want her to wake up. So I'll be curious to see how that goes, and then Max will get her ready and take her down, and then I'll just come straight from work there. And right when it's starting is when ideal nap time is. We're trying to do naps between from I think we said like 12:30 or like 1:30 to 3:30, like kind of like 3:30 at the latest, like 1:30 is kind of like the earliest. Obviously everything is flexible and based on how the day before and how she slept, how all of that, plays into it. But so I'm not sure if we're just going to try to have her sleep in later Saturday, and then not nap, and then maybe bed early. I have no idea. I don't know, but she's going to be, I'm sorry, I'm also tired from being up all night. She's just gonna have a pretty long day Saturday, so we're a little nervous about that, but then we've got Sunday for a good recoup. So that's the update. I'm about to take her grocery shopping with me right now, and that'll be a first, so wish us luck. Guys, it has been a day. We went shopping, we ran all of the fun errands, got all the fun things. I stopped at my mom's because my dogs were at the groomers, and she ended up falling asleep at my mom's house, so, which she needed to nap because she was very fussy, and so I left her nap until 3:30. Then my sister came, and her fiance's mom really wants to see her, so I have a ton of stuff to catch up on at the house. So she's like, can I just take her for like an hour? And I was like, absolutely, you sure can. Go spoil the heck out of this little girl. And look what they got her. So my sister and I match every Christmas. This was actually last year's matching Christmas crew neck, and she got one so that she can match us. It's adorable. So I am here with an update. Obviously I'm crying. So Little Miss is not with us anymore. Very short-lived, but she is going to a really good home. I hope and pray anyway. Sounds like it will. But with that being said, I did just at least want to give you guys an end to this video, and just kind of let you know that things did go pretty well when she was here. Obviously, with any foster placement, hard routines, hard schedules, just kind of getting them comfortable here. And she was just, everyone loved her so much, and everyone loved her so much when she was here. And that's the goal of fostering, is just to show that kiddo as much love as we can for as long as they're in our care. So my heart's a little bit broken, but again, if my heart breaks so that hers doesn't ever have to hurt again, that's okay. I'm not really sure where Max and I are going to go from here, seeing as it's been a week and I'm crying over her not being here anymore. I'm not really sure where to go from here, but I'm packing up a bag for her, and she's with my mom right now while I get stuff together. So she is down with my mom right now. I'm getting her bag together, and then probably by this evening she will be with some new parents.